Today we're outside the Hilti Store. We're going in, we're going shopping. As some of you may know, I have been researching for a new spiral saw to cut drywall with. I decided against going with Milwaukee. I was tempted to go DeWalt, but I tried the DeWalt and I didn't like the DeWalt with the dual drill. I was tempted to try Milwaukee, but I decided to stick with my brand, which is Hilti. This is a heavy bugger, but this is a nice rig. I want you guys to stay to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to assemble this this new router. Really?
You've got for the router and a gun with 2 of the compact batteries, so the small one.
Yeah.
You can get it for $509.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Yeah, I wanted to take a little film so I could show the boys what you guys.
Yeah, sure. And you can take this flyer too.
Okay, perfect. That's really good. Hey, this BXB. The battery powered, like it's a fastener for like, you know, fastening to steel and in concrete. It's amazing. The GX3, that's your gas powered one. It's like the 120, I believe. Yeah, that looks like just like the 120. It looks like the GX2. It's like another battery or gas. I don't know what that's. I haven't seen the GX2 before. Huh. And then of course the third stuff. That's why I bought it. Oh, look at that. You get some new stuff I haven't seen. Battery.
Not a rotator, but he's a 360 line.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Check this out. PM40. Oh, yeah, the 12 one. These are the pointers. I have the, yeah, okay, that's okay. I got the 2LG and the 45. These are for ceilings, but yeah, I got these two.
So this guy does the crosscut.
That's sweet.
It's on the website too.
Yeah, I'll have to check that out. Pulse power. So yeah, the tech in this is amazing. Yeah, vertical, horizontal. Block, yeah, make sure you get that right. Yeah, you bet. And first, yeah, the T500 stuff, you know, good for taking up tile, I'd say. And then you get all the way up to the 1000, which is almost like a mini jackhammer. Yeah, the T7 is a popular drill. There you go, for Tool Wars. 1 3/8 by 36. I wonder if the Milwaukee will handle that. But yeah, this is what you'll find in the Hilti Store. Oh yeah, these scraper bits. I've seen them multiple walls. What action there, I wonder. Look at this here. What's that all about? I don't know. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, so you go okay. Go here and check, so there's nothing there. What is that all about? Look at the laser. Huh. So mechanical safe set. Huh. With the entrance of Hilti expanding safe set concept to mechanical anchors, the adaptive torque system is designed to help you install the quick bolt, TZ and quick bolt 3 anchors more productively. Oh, will you look at that? Isn't that something? Huh. That's pretty cool. Okay, look at it one more time. Look at that. That's insane. And yeah, they always sell the different caulkings and inserts as well. Oh, yeah, you can see this is their caulking in there. And the different inserts. There you go. Mount. Pouring. Drilling bigger holes. Yeah. And these cases too, eh? This is DD150. T60. Vacuum. Wonder what that would cost. That's wild, man. Nice. Oh, these are like your 12 volt. You have a 12 volt line, eh? Yeah. That's incredible. Oh yeah, these are the classics here. The DX5 and the, yeah, it's a both DX5. Without, this is a cartridge one. Oh yeah. Awesome. Right, fasteners and different anchors, yeah. Yeah, the store's got everything. Yeah, the Hilti phone. Very nice rig. These come right off. First thing first, take the guide off there, the stopper, because it just doesn't really do much. Yeah, so it's got the double trigger, right? So you got to flip up and hold in, right? Which is a little bit of a pain, but it's good because you don't accidentally turn it on and there's no lock off or anything like that. But it's really nice. You see, it's not going to be blowing dust. It blows it straight out, right? Not to the side, so you won't be getting dust in your eyes. Generally, you have to plug the holes on a router while you router so you don't get dust blown in your eyes. But the Hilti is nice and blows it out the front. So make sure that's tightened back up. This is like the lock here, just to, you know, loosen and tighten in your bit. So I also bought a pack of bits. So it's a $300 tool just on its own without any batteries. A $300 Canadian tool. And the bits I got, there's 10 bits in here. 1/8. I use the standard tip, but these are $17.99 a pack. So I use the standard, but you can get the guide point and the standard point, but I use the standard point because you can router out all your boxes and you can cut tops out with it, right? You don't have to switch out bits. This is what professional guys use, I would say. When you put the bit in, you want it to be only 1/16 from the last spiral. You want it to be only 1/16 above the chuck, okay? The coupler there, sorry. Okay, just 1/16 above the coupler, and it's in there tight. And you can see I just tighten by hand. It does come with a little wrench. And it comes with the 3/8 coupler as well, so you can put a bigger bit in there, which a lot of guys like to use. So, and then there's 3 different sizes here. I didn't even know that. So you got like a large size, medium size, and then the small size, the one that I use right there. Residential is good to use the big one, right? So we call it the 3/8. I don't know what size exactly it is, but oh yeah, this is a real heavy duty wrench. It gives you to tighten it up. You should be able to do it by hand, but why not? If you have the wrench, I suppose you could do it. It would be nice if it had a little thing to put it in, but it doesn't. That's okay. So yeah, I just put my pieces back in here. I'll put them in my bag, my Hilti pouch later, just to show you. Right, I just take it right off my drill, which I've had for about 5 years now. Plug the same battery right on, and you hear that? It's really quiet as well. I mean, you might think that's loud, but that's actually really quiet for a router. And with this battery, it's heavy. It's a heavy mother. So the nice thing with these batteries, though, these big 18 volt, the CPC battery or whatever you want to call it, they this is 3.3 amp, 21.6 volt, 3.3 amp, lithium ion, 18 plus. This is 18 plus volt, 3.3 amp. They'll last all day. Even in commercial, I can run the drywall gun and this all day, and I would never need to charge my batteries. At the end of the day, I could charge them. So, but yeah, that's really quiet, and it's nice. It's a big trigger, so that's kind of nice. It's a really nice big. So yeah, that's the Hilti spiral saw, the drywall router, which is what we call them. It's heavy, it's expensive, but it's really nice. Like, big trigger like that, the double safety lock, you know, the quietness of it, you know, the air, how it blows forward, right? Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice gear. This will last forever, right? It's got a 2-year warranty, and that's an everything warranty. So, but yeah, I've never had to use a Hilti warranty before. It'll last forever and ever. I can't believe how heavy the bastard is. Like, it's a heavy mother. But yeah, go Hilti, you go big time. So then yeah, I got my you know, drywall gun, and the chargers, replacement chargers are only $40, eh? Which is nice too. So I'm gonna get like another battery, and I need a new impact next. So, but yeah, the impact drivers, I could have got the there's a combo right now on sale for $500, but I didn't. Yeah, I'm going to be going in and just finishing off some stuff. So yeah, I just got my router finally, so now I don't have to cut anything more by hand. And yeah, I'm so glad this is my first cordless router. So I've used the DeWalt's plenty, and I've used the Hilti. I have used this before, but yeah, this thing is beautiful.